Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google reviews to your WordPress website using an automated approach that's quick, easy, and looks fantastic. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to proudly display your best customer feedback in beautiful layouts like sliders or grids, and the best part. Once it's set up, your reviews will update themselves, saving you tons of time. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, we're going to use a plugin to handle the heavy lifting for us. This is definitely the recommended method, especially if you want your reviews to appear automatically and have the flexibility to choose from different layouts. Plugins like Widgets for Google Reviews or Smash Balloon Reviews Feed are among the most popular and reliable options out there, and they're designed with non-technical users in mind. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, click on Plugins and then Add New. In the search bar that appears, type in either Widgets for Google Reviews or Smash Balloon Reviews Feed. You'll see a few options pop up, but make sure to select the right one. Look for plenty of active installs and positive ratings for peace of mind. Click Install Now and then Activate. Don't worry if you haven't installed a plugin before, WordPress handles most of the process with just a click. Once your plugin is active, it's time to connect it to your Google Business profile. This is what allows your website to fetch and display your real reviews from Google, so it's a crucial step. Head into the plugin settings, where you'll find a section asking to connect or select your business. Many plugins include a super handy Place ID finder right there. Just type in the name of your business and it'll pull up the exact match. If your business has a common name, try including your city to narrow it down. Once you've found and selected your business, you're good to go. The plugin takes care of connecting securely and pulling your reviews. With your business now linked, you get to decide how those reviews will appear on your site. Most plugins offer a few different styles. For example, you can choose a sleek carousel that lets visitors slide through reviews, or a neat grid or list that shows several at once. This is where you can bring a bit of your brand's personality to the display. There are also options to filter which reviews are shown. I recommend setting it to only show 4 or 5-star reviews, so new visitors will see your best customer feedback first. Think of it like curating the storefront window of your shop. You want to showcase your highlights. After you're happy with your settings, the plugin will give you a unique shortcode. This is just a little snippet of text that tells WordPress, hey, insert my reviews right here. Copy this shortcode, and then head to whichever page or post you want your reviews to show up on. Add a new block, select shortcode, and simply paste it in. Update or publish the page, and voila, your Google reviews should now appear perfectly styled and automatically updating as new feedback rolls in. And that's it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've turned your website into a powerful showcase for genuine customer experiences, all without any advanced coding. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment. I do my best to reply to everyone. For more WordPress tips and easy tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.